The list of all the ingredients are listed down below. We are going to saute the garlic first, and then the onions, ginger, and tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add ground black pepper. And now, add the shells. Add 2 cups of water. And let this boil for 15 minutes. The shells expanded because they opened, so we will need a bigger wok. I separated the other half on another container. And we will let this boil for another 5 minutes. This recipe is best served with vinegar. Now it is ready to be served. Naimas na ito'y mangantayon.